Okay, I have the my pressure gauge on cylinder number 2. This is cylinder number 2 back here, and I've got my gauge hooked up to it. And I'm getting about 70 pounds of PSI pressure, so that's good there. Okay, now we're back on cylinder 1. This is cylinder 1, the one I'm having a problem getting a fire to the spark plug. Number 2 showed to be 75 PSI of compression. Now let's do the test on 1. So as you can see there, we're not even getting 10 pounds of PSI. Either got a bad piston, the valve is stuck and not going up and down completely, a lifter or something of that nature internally is the fault there. It's a dead hole. You're running on 3 cylinders right now. Just the back 32, 3 and 4 are firing and doing what they're supposed to. Cylinder 1 is not firing, so you're running on 3 cylinders. All right, I'll get this info back to you and we'll decide where to go from here.